I couldn't buy it, so I made it. I didn't want it, yeah, I made it.
Is this thing on? Okay, I think it is. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Barbie Doll Star. If you're new here, I'm Malibu, and welcome back to Malibu's Magic Makeover. Today, we are going to be giving a makeover to the old Barbie Doll style. So, let's get into today's video. So, here she is. Hi, I'm the old Bella, and I'm going to be getting a makeover today, so I'm so excited. If you guys are curious, she is the green Moon body, but I put her on a naturalistic body. But the body we're going to put her on today is the Barbie Extra number 13. Here's the body we're going to be using for today out of the box. Now, I did color her hair blue, so that is why you see blue stripes instead of pink. So let's compare the skin tones. I think it's a pretty good match. It's not going to be perfect, but I think it's really close, so it should work. So now we're going to head swap their heads. Let's go. So for this, I'm going to be using this clear measuring cup, which I got from Target. It's usually like $10. So I just finished my head swap, and this is what I look like on the body. I love my new body, and now we're going to do my hair in a second. And I'm going to change my outfit. Okay, this is much better. I like my plaid dress better. It fits really nice too. I might change this later though. And we no longer have the ball bow head, so that's good. So the cut we're going to be doing is inspired by Styles for Barbies on Instagram. So let's get started. So I love my new bang, and I'm wearing a Brooklyn outfit from the Brooklyn and the City collection. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I will see you next time.
With your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to riot. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me out.
Don't forget to click one of these two videos to watch next. Bye!